Guys, we've made it to Jet Park Hotel. We've already checked in and we're gonna go to our room and explore the room. We're also gonna go to check out the tea pool and spa, tepid pool and spa, and everything else in this hotel. It's called Jet Park Hotel Rotorua, and here's the key card.
Key card here. We're in room 121. Here's the Wi-Fi and everything. Here's the card to get in.
Let's go inside.
So there you go. Good security.
Let's go. Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, nice place.
Very nice. Looks good.
Breakfast area here. Looks like.
There's an elevator.
Elevator, yeah.
This is pretty nice artwork. Chairs and table with flowers and stuff. It's pretty nice. Here we've entered the elevator. We're gonna go up to
like level 1. Our room number is 121, and our room's in that area.
Yep.
Let's go.
First floor or second?
Oh, first.
It looks like this way.
Yes. This way. We keep walking.
Let's continue on.
We keep going.
Looks like a nice place.
It's over here. As you can see.
Oh, there you go.
121.
And we have a key card to room 122.
So let's go. Open it.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh.
To the room. Oh, it's closing the door.
Oh wow, this is nice. Wow.
Wow.
Two double beds. Yeah.
Look at this.
Nice couch here.
Nice, good TV.
Very nice TV. This is probably one of the best TVs we've had in a hotel. Wow, nice artwork as well.
Very nice, yeah. Nice picture.
Pretty cool.
Air conditioning. And there's your controls, and there you go, lights on.
There's the lights. Yeah.
There's a statement from
Got a mini fridge here, as you can see. Stuff in there. Yes.
Ooh.
Let's explore the bathroom.
And look at the views.
Oh, here's the bathroom. Wow, very nice big bathroom. Clean as well.
Well kept bathroom, yeah, very
Sink.
clean.
Also, a nice shower.
Nice shower.
Nice big shower. I like it.
Look at all this stuff.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's good. That's good. And we have like a small fan here too.
Yeah, nice
It's
fan.
really big from here.
Heater as well can be. You can change the temperature. Really nice.
Yeah.
Wow, this is
Some
the
new
view.
developed areas here.
Yeah,
Brand new places.
very nice.
Nice breakfast.
Oh, yeah. It's nice.